1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, San Jose build, factory C code, completely redone in its factory color, the factory specs. Everything freshed up, everything is brand new. The brand new tires. It's a complete fresh paint job, windows out, no overspray anywhere. Every single chrome part was removed, put back on. They have all black interior. It's a C4 automatic. Factory door tech in place. Brand new rubber seals all around. Door bottoms are perfect. Trunk is perfect. No rust anywhere. Brand new fuel tank. Factory holes there. Nothing welded, nothing fixed with fiberglass. Same on the other side. Same in the wheel housings. There's no patches, no rust. Was a Bay Area car all its life. Rock solid rockers. Dealer installed AC that actually works. It blows ice cold. Headliner all there, not torn apart. No overspray here. All the lights work. All gauges work. Solid door bottoms, like on the other side. That's the matching numbers. 289 engine that was completely rebuilt. The car was sitting for 20 years and the engine was frozen, was taken apart and completely redone. Same with the transmission. Transmission is rebuilt. Everything is brand new on that engine. Brand new regulator. Battery mount, the solenoid. All the lights work. Blinker. Even the plate light. No overspray on the chrome rings. right blinker.